Okay guys, we're out here now at the Chartwell Apiary, and there's just this gorgeous sunset. Right, gonna have a look at a couple of hives here today. We had the one box we put down just the other night. Okay, great, the bees are inside. This was a bad transfer. I was a bit worried that the bees weren't gonna settle in and go into the box, so things are looking quite good there. This particular box, this was the one where the previous owner had put 9 frames into the brood box, and they were a bit skew, and so the bees built all skew. So we popped a 10th frame in there, and we're going to have a look now, see if the bees have started to build it nice and straight. We might pop another, depending on the brood, pop another 2 wax sheets in there. That would be great. And we've got this box. I can't really remember. Oh yes, okay, this was the box where we had the problem with the floor. I'm not seeing a lot of action here. This might be a bit worrying. Last time I also didn't see action here though. Yeah, I have a funny feeling that this colony might have absconded. So what we'll do is we'll climb into this box first and just have a quick look, see what's going on in there. That's going to be a big pity. I had 2 supers on top of here as well. Okay, well hopefully the other colonies in the area robbed it. Then this last one, this was a removal that we did. Okay, I can see a couple of bees on the outside. I'll take that yellow queen guard off the front. It's not really useful anyway. It's got a big hole in the middle that we left there for a feeder. But these bees seem to look quite happy on this box. It is quite low to the ground. When we have boxes low to the ground like this, we tend to get quite a lot of hive beetles. So we'll have a look out for that. Right, starting with the hive we're most worried about. I'm almost certain there's no bees in here. So might be taking this box home with me. Certainly needs some maintenance. Okay. Yeah, we've got larvae in the top here. This is all wax moth here. Plenty of it. Sure. Okay, they've been here a while. Whoa, look at that. Okay, we're going to take this box back with us, and then we're going to have to clean this all up, see if any of the frames are salvageable. So yeah, that's the first colony we've lost this season so far, and we lost it in a big way. I think we also lost a whole lot of honey, so it's a bit disappointing. It's almost like this kind of box, you just want to pretty much put it in the fire and just burn it, because there's nothing in here, and to clean it is going to be such a mission. But anyway, we'll have a look. We'll maybe see if we can try and clean it up. Okay, next big one. This one, at least we know there's bees in it. I'm hoping that they were able to rob that other one as much as they possibly could, and we can take this super off. Seeing a couple of ants on the top here. Okay, lots of burr comb. See here, all this comb was built up against the roof. This box is packed with honey. I actually think we're going to take this full super home with us, definitely. So I'm just going to pull the super off. Okay, so we're taking the one super off. Okay, it's a nicely built frame, not quite capped though. So what we know from this one, if you remember, there was 9 frames. We put this frame in, you can see it's pretty new, to make it a 10 frame box. This here is completely cross built. There's a bit of a gap here and a bit of a gap here now, but it was a struggle. Ideally we want to take these 2 frames out, possibly move these across if there's brood on those 2 there. there'll probably be brood on this one as well. So if there's brood on this one, I'm going to slip an empty in here and an empty in there. Let me actually get this one out. Right, okay, that came out quite nicely. In fact, that's not badly built. So I'm liking that frame, it's got brood on it. So that's pretty good. Right, these ones here, we now have built across. I've got space now to move them out. They completely cross-built. Completely. In fact, I think there's 3 cones on this. There's a little bit of brood there. I'm going to put that one back. So this one's got brood on it. I'm going to pop that one back here. The end. Okay, that's not badly built either. Okay. It's got brood. That was a super frame. And the bees are built top and bottom of that. Not ideal, but it's got brood on it, so we're going to need to work that one to the edge. This was our full wax sheet that we put in here. So that looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. We got nice brood on both sides there. So we want to put an empty there and an empty there. Okay, it's got brood on that side. A bit of drone cell down here. Right, it's starting to feel a bit heavier. Got a bit of honey at the top. This is all resources, this frame. So I suspect there'll be 3 resources then. That's resources. Feel by the weight as well. That's resources as well. Okay, I might actually take this one. So we've got resources, 3 brood. I'm going to put a white one there and a white one in there. Right, I'm going to leave the queen excluder off, and we'll start to work this box without a queen excluder. This colony is doing pretty well, nice and strong. You can see all the bees on the outside here. I think as the night progresses they'll crawl back in. Quite a lot of brood still, 4 or 5 frames of brood now. We put those 2 full frames there. I don't know if it's a bit late in the year to do that, but this is a strong colony. I wanted to work out the skew frames, which I've pretty much done now. So I think this overall is going to be quite a success. This colony will be a little bit smaller now during winter. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is a pretty new colony that we brought here. This was the one, the removal that we did from the borehole that was on the pavement of that property. We're just going to basically do a quick inspection. I don't think we'll super it or anything. We're going into winter, and then take the stand from the absconded hive and actually prop this one up on the stand so it's not so low to the ground. This is a telescopic lid. I seem to have glued this one down good and proper. Let's see what we got. Okay, it's not exactly straight in the frame, this comb. We've got, this is honey. Okay, that one's pretty empty. I haven't really built on it. So we've got an empty, we've got a resource. This also feels like a resource frame. Yeah. Okay, there we got some brood and some honey at the top. So we'll put that down as a brood frame. Okay, there's brood here. Oh, nice brood that side. That's gorgeous. You can see she's laid in almost every cell there in the middle of that. This is brood and honey. Lots of honey this side. Brood over here. And brood and honey that side as well. And brood there, honey there. And then this is an empty frame. Could possibly be eggs in here, but I don't know if I'll be able to see in this one. Yeah, I think there's eggs in here. There's brood down the bottom there. And there's a little bit of brood there. So I think this is a frame of eggs. Oh, okay, there's some more brood on that side. So this colony is actually doing quite well. It's stuck somewhere. Okay. What we got? Okay, this is resources, which means this one here will be resources as well. Yeah. Yeah, it's pollen. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit that like button. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.